Hello friends, welcome back. Now, let's talk about the global parameters. For reference, you can go to the WP-CLI handbook and under the references section, you can visit the config section and here, if you scroll down below, you will see the global parameters. Global parameters are common arguments that you can pass to your WP-CLI command, whether it's a built-in or a custom command. There are many global parameters, but I will cover a few of them here. So let's have a look at our first global parameter, that is skip plugins. This allows you to skip loading all the plugins or skip a specific plugin. For example, if you have a plugin causing a conflict with another plugin or theme and you can't access your backend or frontend, you can use WP-CLI to deactivate the conflicting plugin. By running the command wp plugin deactivate and providing the plugin name along with the skip hyphen plugins flag. This way, WP-CLI will not load the problematic plugin and your WordPress site should work fine. This method avoids having to rename the plugin folder manually. Similarly, we have the skip themes parameter, which can be used to skip the theme loading. If a third-party theme is causing issues and you can't access your site, you can use the command wp-theme activate, passing in the theme name along with the skip themes flag to activate a default theme, for example 2024, without loading the problematic one, thus bringing your site back online and debug the issue with the theme. Next, we have the prompt flag. This is a helpful command when you forget the parameters for a WP-CLI command. For example, when creating a user, you can run wp user create prompt and WP-CLI will ask you for the required information to create the user. This makes it easier to remember and pass the correct arguments. To create a user, you can run the command wp user create prompt. This will prompt you to input all the necessary parameters for creating a user. Simply provide the required values and the user will be created effortlessly. Then, at last, we have the URL flag. This URL parameter is especially useful in a multi-site environment. If you have multiple sites and you want to create a user for the specific site, just pass the site's URL using this URL. For example, WP user create your username, then your email, along with the flag URL equal to the site domain. This will create a user for that specific site, even in a multi-site setup. This same parameter can be used for listing posts or performing other tasks on specific sites within a multi-site network. For example, you can do WP post list along with the URL flag equal to the site domain. Thanks for watching. See you in our next session. Jai WordPress.